I don't know why Redmi put the game turbo feature in the security, but here there is. Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Game Turbo on Xiaomi phones. Here is Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for Pro and other Redmi phones, and if you tap on security, here is Game Turbo. Now just wait to open this feature. And from here you can add games. For that just tap on the plus sign and here just select the game. Of course needs to be installed on your phone. So tap here and now it's added on Game Turbo. Here there is. And from here first you can start playing. And now let me show you some settings for the Game Turbo app. For that just tap here on this settings gear. And from here you can enable or disable Game Turbo. Also for in-game shortcuts you can disable content recommendations. And also you can add a home screen shortcut. The second option is performance. We have here a performance mode. You can enable or disable Wi-Fi optimization, and also you can optimize touch controls. And I will go back. Here is performance optimizations. We have memory exceptions and Mi Wi-Fi speed boost. You can enable or disable this feature. And the last one is Game DND. We have here enhance experience and restrict buttons and gestures. Now I will go back, and also from here you can do some GPU settings. For that just tap here. And you can set on default, you can set also on save power, balance, we have high quality, and the last one is custom, and from here you can do your own settings. So I will let on balance, and for me it's okay. Now to go back, just tap here and we are back. Now, after you did all these settings, you can start playing from here, and that's all. So, I hope this video to be useful for you. In my opinion, it's a good feature because improve your game experience. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.